Yo, what's good? It's your boy LB. Today, let's talk about mask clone effect in Premiere Pro. Guys, before we jump on, let me tell you how to shoot it. Your camera must be on the tripod for preventing some shakes or moves. Your subject must act so many different things but on the same place. So you have to shoot many different videos but on the same place without moving the camera aside. Just your camera must be on tripod in one place shooting one frame only. And after that, you have to remember to shoot the background the only where you will put those videos. Yes, that is it. So now let's jump on in Premiere Pro just right now. Already guys, as you see here, this is my video clip. So first, I'm going to mask where the green screen is. You know guys, the subject is in front of my green screen. So first, I'm going to mask this green screen where the subject is. So click here on this video clip, then click here on free draw bezel. I'm going to mask this green screen. Click on it. So you have to mask where your green screen is because the subject is in front of your green screen. Yeah, this is cool. So guys, after this, I'm going to remove this green screen behind this subject. So now click here on effect and then search the effect called Ultra Key effect. This one is located in keying. So now drag this Ultra Key effect and then drop it here on this video. So now come here on effect control. This is Ultra Key settings. So now I'm going to use this key color, this icon for removing this green screen. Click on it and then click here on this green screen. So guys, as you see here, I just want to remove these details which remains here on this green color. So now click here on output, here on the composite, just choose alpha channel. So now I'm going to open up this matte generation. So now we have this subject which is white. So now I just want this background to be pure black. So now I'm going to arrange first this transparency, okay, because the subject is green. Let's come here on this highlights, okay, let's move it, okay, let me reduce this shadow, okay. Guys, as you see, my subject still is white, okay. Then let me increase these torrents, okay, and this pedestal. Yeah, this is cool. Guys, as you see here, the green screen is removed. Cool. Background is too black, my subject is too white. So after this, come back on composite, okay. So guys, you have to remove the green screen for all your videos. As you see here, this is my all videos. So you have to remove all green screen. Just you have to use this method. So as you see here, those are my videos. I have been removed the green screen, okay. Those are all my videos which I'm gonna use. So now after this, I'm going to add my background. This is my background. This is where my subject will be. So now let me bring here my background here on the front, okay. This is my background. So now I'm going to add my subject, or just I'm going to arrange all my subject here on this background. So now I have to arrange this clip here just like this. Let me bring one, okay. Have to put it here just like this. Let me put this one here on the center. Just you can use this position scale for arranging your subject in front of your background. So now let me bring the second one, and this is the second one. Let me put it here on beside this one too. So for this first one, I can increase some scale, small scale, just like this. So let me pull up this, my shoot up. So here on the ground, I have to add some crop which will affect on the top, other one on the bottom. Okay, so now let me pull up this one too, just like this. Let me bring the third one. Let me put it here. Just let me increase to this, the size. Okay, but this one I just want to put it behind this first one. Okay, just like this. Okay, let me drag it up like this. Okay, so now let me arrange those all my creep. Let me do it fast as possible. Yes, so guys, I'm done for arranging my subject here in front of this background. So now I'm going to add some adjustment layer for adding some crop. Click here on new item, just create new adjustment layer here, and then click OK. So now bring your adjustment layer here on the top of this creep, and then extend how long your creep is. Okay, so now let me reduce this background too. Click here on your adjustment layer and then come here on effect and then search effect called crop. So now drag this crop here on adjustment layer. So come here on effect settings. So I have to add crop here on the bottom and to the top. Let me add 10. Let me add another 10 here on the top. Just like this. This is cool, guys. So when I'm trying to play my video, let me try to play it. Remember to save your project. So yes, this is cool, guys. Okay, back here on your background, remember the background video, it must be on the bottom of your subject layers. Okay, so now click here on your background and then go here on effect, search the effect called the Gaussian blur. This Gaussian blur, then drag this effect and then drop it here on your background layer. So I have to add some brightness, small brightness on your background, just like this. Okay, to look so cinematic. So let me reduce and put like 15 or 12. This is so cool. And then find the subject which is behind, and also you can add a small blurriness. Okay, have to add some small brightness. So let me put it, for example, 4, just for this one. And then let me find other one. Yes, just look this one too. I have to add some Gaussian blur effect. Let me pull like also, for example, 3, because it is behind with other subject. Okay, and this one too. Okay, yes, this one. And this one too, let me add some brightness. Let me add some 4, for example. And this one too, let me add like 4. Yeah, this is cool. So guys, after adding this blurriness on your background and some subject which is behind other one, okay, so now I'm going to add some color here. You can add any color you want, guys, okay. So now click here on adjustment layer. For adding color, guys, you can use this crop adjustment layer, or just you can create other adjustment layer. So now come here on color tab. So now let me add some cinematic color, guys. Come here on the HCL secondary. I have to add some skin tone. Okay. This skin tone. Yes. Come here on these color widths. Let me increase this mid-tone. Let me add some blur. Sorry, some green color. Yeah, guys, that is it. Okay. Guys, thanks for watching. If you like my video, please drop your comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. And stay creative. Peace.